Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In here, we talk about how to better manage our mental health and live a fulfilling life, because we all need to thrive despite life's challenges. And today, I'll be sharing with us my personal story of how a single decision I made a few years ago changed my life. Also, I'll be sharing some tips to guide you in making your own decision that you've been scared to make or putting aside. So, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, comment below any topic you'd like to get more insights on concerning your mental health, and I'll be glad to talk about it. A few years ago, I was at a crossroads in my life. I was feeling stuck, like nothing ever good is happening in my life, and unsure of what to do next. It felt like I was just going through the motions of every day. Then, one day, I made a decision that changed everything. After watching a particular video just like this on YouTube, I decided to start prioritizing my mental health and well-being. Guess what? For a very long time, I had no idea of what mental health is until I watched that video on YouTube. This one decision set off a chain of reaction of positive changes in my life. I started by setting aside time each day for self-care, whether it was journaling, meditating, or just taking a walk. Mind you, this decision wasn't easy. It meant I had to start learning saying no to things that were draining me, and yes, to things that nourished my soul. But as I started to take better care of myself, I noticed the shift. I felt more energized, more focused, and more in tune with my true self. One of the biggest changes was in my mindset. I began to see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles. You see, this new perspective opened up so many doors for me, both personally and professionally. I remember a specific moment when I realized how much this decision had impacted my life. I was faced with a difficult choice at work, and instead of feeling overwhelmed, I felt confident and clear-headed. I knew that whatever happened, I had the strength and resilience to handle it. Alright, without boring you with my many stories, let's just go right into the few tips I have for you today to help you make a life-changing decision. Listen to your intuition. To be honest, you have to trust your gut feeling. No matter how it is, that voice that tells you in your head, do this, listen to it. Because that is the voice that will lead you to your big break. Also, take small steps. Big changes can be overwhelming, so you have to start with small manageable actions. You see, you have to cut down your goals. If you have a big goals you want to get, you have to take it little by little. You have to cut it down. It is very important, because if you're looking or if you're viewing it the way it is, you become so overwhelmed and scared of making the right decision. So cut down your goals into smaller parts. Stay committed. This is another great tip. Changes takes time, so you have to stay committed to your decision even when it gets tough. It is very important that you understand this, that once you stay committed, despite the challenges, the fact that you're committed to achieve this big break, to get what you want, it will all work. So be patient with yourself, take time with yourself, and achieve this great thing you want in your life. Also, seek support. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. That's your big goal, that's your big dream. You need people to back it up. So surround yourself with people you know that can help you achieve that dream of yours, because it is very important in this journey. So you have to seek the right people. Seek people that will impact you positively. Seek people that will help you achieve your goal in life. Remember, one decision can truly change your life forever. It might be scary, but it's also incredibly empowering. So following these few tips I've just mentioned, I hope and I wish that this will guide you into making that big decision of achieving your goals, that big decision of starting that business, that career in your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth and mental health. Take care.